Going through my laptop is starting to get extremely boring. I want to just get out and do something, because I am just that bored. It just feels like there is nothing to do. Could this get any more boring? Now it's raining and I can't do anything. Oh my god, yes, this just gave me the perfect idea. I need to throw CT Cool into the trash truck.
Do. I love to sing da-da-da-da-da.
Haha, get wrecked CT Cool, that's what happens when you mess with me.
What the how did I end up in the garbage truck with my trash? I guess I'll be living in a trash dumpster. What the heck just happened?
Rosie, have you noticed that CT Cool has uploaded less?
I don't know, I haven't seen him uploading.
That sounds sus. Rosie, you are known to do stuff like this. Did you do this? Rosie, tell me right now or you will be grounded for all of eternity.
Okay. I threw CT Cool into the trash truck and he's in the dumpster. No, not CT Cool, I need to go save him immediately.
Wow, I can't believe I am still stuck here.
CT Cool, I have come here to rescue you. Let's use Go Animate logic and go back to my house and ground Rosie for the rest of her sad pathetic life.
Oh wow Caillou, thank you so much. I will activate Go Animate logic in 3, 2, 1.
Where did CT Cool come from?
Oh, Rosie, how dare you throw me into the trash? That is so freaking it. You are grounded 4028544926434927345 years. Go to your room right now or it's punishment day.
Walla 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 walla.